Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in Acorns app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Acorns app, and once you open your Acorns app, you need to type in your email address. Once you have typed in your email address, hit the continue button, and then you need to now type in the password of your account. After you have typed in the password of the account, simply tap on the login option, and once this is done, you will receive a OTP code on your email address. So all you need to do is simply type in the OTP code that has been sent in your account and hit the confirm button. After doing this, your code will get verified and you can get logged in into your account back. So this is how you get logged in your Acorns app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.